package has arrived from the jungle sites. Let's see what's inside. Of course, if you read the description, you already know what's inside. Yes, I've gone bougie again. Part 2. So in my previous video, I did have a video on the Tyler candle Glamorous wash, and it's the Diva. And guess what? I'm almost out. I'm right about here. This is where I am right now. Good time to order and some more. So, since Tyler candle here has several different scents, it's always good to change up because the olfactory gets used to a certain smell after a while, and then you don't smell it no more unless you got your face right in it. So, since I'm almost out, let's try a different flavor. So let's see what it is. So this is a multi-item box. There's a couple of things in here. Got a couple of shirts. And to start the show, I got 3.78 liters of the Tyler candle Glamorous wash, entitled, oh my god, entitled, privilege is perfection and special treatment is immediately granted. Rich, sugared oranges melded with tart lemons and limes, reminiscent of exotic mountain greens. Fine laundry detergent. Wow. And of course, this is a handmade stuff, so every time you use it, you want to shake it up. Shake it up. Just like Scotty Kilmer. I think that's his name. Scotty, shake it up. What's this smell? Oh, it does smell like pine. Oh, that's awesome. And of course, this is the this is the biggest they make. The biggest bottle. And actually, it was a little cheaper than this little tinier bottle, because this one was almost 80 bucks. And this one was like 78 or something. More for less. That's pretty cool. And yes, you know, modern times, so there's no phosphorus in this stuff or anything like that. But it's a decent detergent, and it makes your laundry smell awesome. You know, especially when you do your towels or your bed linens and stuff like that. But we can always improve on the cleaning power. So that's what's the next item in the box. We have Sunnyside TSP, trisodium phosphates. Yes, people, phosphates. You can still buy phosphates. So I usually add about between 1 and 2 tablespoons of TSP to each laundry load of the Glamorous wash, and it makes it awesome. Gets your clothes clean. So that's about the gist of this particular box. And of course, I got a couple of shirts because the super 80s and 90s spandex is coming back out again. So it's coming back in style again, I guess. So just happened to find some of this stuff, and it's the super shiny satin type stuff where it glistens in any kind of light. You can tell how nice and shiny and satiny it is, you know, because the closest that you can get, you know, in professional stuff is the Under Armour, the ISO Chill. That's about the second shiniest stuff you get, other than the old-fashioned satin spandex. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and be glamorous. Ta-ta.